उड़ू ऊंचा।
Now we are going to learn the sound of the letter R. Say it with me. R, r, r. This is a walrus. They have long tusks just like elephants. They have whiskers and flippers. They spend most of the time in the sea, or they can also rest on ice or rocks. Walrus. Arrow. Arrow. An arrow can go up, down, left, or right. It shows directions. Arrow. Board. Board. When you are bored, you can get just a paper and pencil and do some drawing and coloring. Then you can also write few words about your drawing. Bored. Are you bored? Let's draw a picture of your classroom and have some fun. Carpet. Carpet. Carpet comes in many designs and colors. We use carpets to put it on the floor to decorate our bedrooms or drawing rooms. Carpet. Board. Walrus. Arrow. Carpet. Draw. Do you hear the R sound in the middle of these words? Let's hear the words one more time. Walrus, arrow, board, draw, carpet.
Like, share and subscribe.